Pro 1000, installing the bullet cedar crimper die. Place an empty sized and flared case in the third position of the shell plate and raise the ram to the top of the stroke. With the adjustment screw and lock ring turned fully outward, turn the die into the turret until you feel it stop. This is where the crimp shoulder meets the top of the case. Finger tighten the lock ring. Lower the shell plate, and at this point, place a bullet onto the mouth of the case. Now, raise the shell plate, and while holding the handle in the down position, turn the adjusting screw in until resistance is met. Then lower the shell plate and turn the adjustment screw in one full turn. Then raise the shell plate, lower, and check the bullet seating depth. Repeat as necessary. Additional depth is obtained by turning the adjustment screw inward, with each turn being 55 thousandths of an inch. After proper depth is obtained, back the adjustment screw out 1/2 of a turn. Lower the shell plate. Then loosen the lock ring and turn the die body in 1/2 turn. Raise the shell plate, which will crimp the bullet in place. Additional minor adjustments in or out may be made with the adjustment screw.